In 2025 PG Medical, most important update came from MP State Counseling. What was the update? Previously, in MP State, the student who didn't do MBBS from MP, ideally they are not eligible. They could done the registration, but never they have got the seat. But this year, this rules has changed. This year, from round 1 only, the student who has done MBBS from other state, who are not a domicile of MP, all those kind of students are eligible to participate in the round 1 counseling. And after round 1 allotment, you can see many student has got the allotment from radiology to anesthesia in all the branches. In this video, I will tell you the cutoff rank of this particular quota, non-institutional quota. This is non-institutional quota, means the student neither domicile of MP nor MBBS from MP. So this is completely the open quota seat for other state students. Why I am sharing you this cutoff? Because since this is a new thing in this year, and all the students are eagerly waiting to know the cutoff of MP in round 1, because then they can participate in the further round of counseling. They will get an idea what is the scope in further round. So without wasting the time, I'll give you the informations. Radiology, 15,548 is the cutoff rank. Here I am mentioning you the college name and approximate fees also. The college name is RKDF Bhopal, and the fee in this college is approximately 18 to 20 lakhs per annum depending on the branch. Dermatology is 16,643. College name is Index. Index fees is 19 to 22 lakhs per annum. Medicine 17,179. Emeritus fees is 17 to 20 lakhs per annum. Orthopedics 35,282. College name is Index. Fee is 19 to 20 lakhs per annum. OBG 26 lakhs 20,000, 23,000, 26 lakh 23. RKDF 18 to 20 lakhs per annum. Pediatrics 25,936. Index 19 to 22 lakhs per annum. General surgery 46,583. Index only. Ophthalmology 49,922. Emeritus only. ENT 55,141. RKDF only. Psychiatry 36,512. Index only. Respiratory medicine 31,705. Index, and emergency medicine 50,858 in emeritus. Students, see, you can get an idea that all the lowest cutoff goes in the 3 colleges. It is either in Index or RKDF or in the emeritus. Naturally, you cannot expect the lowest cutoff will be in Aravinda or RD Gadi or Chirai on those kind of colleges, because the student whose rank is good, ideally they will take the good colleges first. Okay, so this is the cutoff rank for different branches. Now I'll tell you, see, radiology and dermatology, in this rank the student has got in RKDF and Index. Now if you have checked the other state scenario or all India counseling, in this rank the student who has got radiology and dermatology, definitely the fees are above 30 lakhs. So in this fees, if you are okay in the colleges, then it is okay. Same for medicine as well. Even medicine also, if you are not a domicile of Karnataka or if you are not belonging to Andhra Pradesh, then definitely medicine also you have got, if you get it around 20 lakhs also, this is a good thing. Okay, now coming to a few of the branches. For example, in general surgery, see, general surgery till 46,500 rank, the student has got Index, or the fee is, let's say, around 22 lakhs per annum. So this is also a good allotment, I can say, because in 46,000 rank, if you think about the other state apart from Karnataka, for the Karnataka domicile student, in deemed university also fee will be high. Even in Uttar Pradesh also fee will be high. In other states also the fee will be higher than that. So this is also a good thing. Now coming to other branch like ENT. Even ENT also 55,000 in RKDF, if you get, that is also good allotment. So all over you can see that this is an impact for the open category student, the student who has not got the chance to participate till last year. This year they have participated, and few of them has definitely got the good college. If you go through the entire allotment, you can see many students has got good college like Aravinda, Adigadi, Chirayu, all those colleges. See, in this YouTube video, we'll keep updating you regarding the cutoff, expected seat matrix, and all the important updates. If you have not yet subscribed, you subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. So whenever we'll be giving any video, immediately you will be getting the notification. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. If you are looking for end-to-end paid counseling services, you can contact me in the number given. Our team will coordinate with you and they will explain you all the details so you can associate with us for the paid counseling services. Thank you.